Nick, 32-ounce blizzards here, all Oreo. They're starting first to finish wins. They're starting when I say go. 3, 2, 1, go. This is close. Looks like Sean might have an early lead. I don't know. This is close. Nick, they're both deep in there. Oh, Sean's slowing up. Seems like Dane is too, but Nick's still going at it.
Sean's joking.
Oh,
generation body heat.
Oh, no, God. They started even, but now it's just over. Nick's got about a quarter left. Sean's about halfway, third left. Dane's about the same.
What's the opposite of heartburn? He needs his help from Heisenberg.
Vomiting.
Oh God, Nick is like shaking. Oh man, he's
it's not brain freeze. It's not brain freeze, but
that is for me.
My throat is numb.
Oh no way. Oh, it's sick.
Nick's got a couple bites left.
Oh man, Dane can see.
He's done. He's done. He's done.
Nice swallow.
Okay.
How much was that?
I actually missed a couple seconds.